Are you tired of looking for products that will sell for you only to find that your investment is not panning out that month? We're going to actually fix the problem. I'm going to show you guys products that have sold for us at high rates the first week of March. Me filming this is on the 8th. We cleared sales all last week, and it was only with these products. It's not just me. It's not just Poshmark, eBay, it's Walmart Seller Central, it's also Depop Vinted, and in-person sales. I'm gonna break down these products. Now, you don't have to get these products exactly, but get products that serve the same need and also products that look similar. Now, if you want any of these products, they're all on wesply.com. It's a link below. So number one, I wanna start with this. This is actually a car mount, and you've probably seen this on TikTok, probably seen this even on AliExpress. We have these units, and these have been selling pretty well, and they're very, very cheap. To give you guys a price point, these cost around $6, okay? We sell these for around $12. So this is a smart car sensing charger. So you sit your phone on top of the charger and it closes automatically. It comes in plastic, but then it comes with the mount. This is actually the charger. Now these flaps retract back and forth, and we have been able to see really good sales, especially on TikTok Shop and also on eBay. This is a competitive market when we're talking about car chargers. So what we try to do is make sure that we are pricing so that we make profit, but we've been really killing it when we're selling in bulk. It seems to solve a problem, but also it seems to be trending. It's something that's new. It does something that people don't expect. And this is where the real win comes from. Next, we're gonna talk about another car charger, okay? This is going to be a car charger, but it is a dual. It is USB and also Type-C. Now, this is a 40-watt car charger. This is what it looks like, okay? So it has two inputs right here. Of course, they plug it into the car. You already know that Type-C is a fast charger. If you guys have watched me, I say this all the time, but this does really well. These wholesale are around like $4. You can sell these $7.50, $8.50, even up to $10. What I recommend is making sure you are bundling these. The next thing we're gonna do is go into a power bank. These power banks have been selling last month and this month. We actually rose the price on these. It's kind of a high saturated market. I'm not blind to the fact that there are plenty of people selling products that we are. The upper hand we have is that we bundle. We'll bundle this with another cable, or we'll bundle two in one order. So we also make sure we do not provide free shipping to make up for the bundle cost, but we win because we're providing value over price. Now, this actually cost us around $9.50 wholesale. We're selling this for $15 to $16.50 singular, but when we sell these in bulk, we're selling them for $30. So we're making more money by bundling these together while also increasing the perception of the value to the customer. You just stick this in. They don't have to actually sit there and hold the battery pack on the back of their phones, nor do they need to make sure that it's clipping on. Instead, this is something that literally you can just sit on your phone and have it plugged in and not have to worry about it again. See, it has an LED display. Bundling is key right now as the markets are warming up. But again, this is something that helps you. And a lot of these products I'm gonna show are products that people actually need. A lot of these products are evergreen products. They're selling year round. Get products that can sell no matter what the month is, because you never know how much or how long a product is going to sit in your inventory. And you always want to be able to supply demand, but you can't really supply demand on trending products, right? I'll give you an example like Labubus. Labubus are great, but you want to sell them as fast as you get them because you just never know when the trend is going to run out. So here are the iPhone 7 headphones. These sell well. We sell these for around $8.50. Sell them for around like $14.50, $17.50. Bundles again, but look at the packaging, right? I can't even open this because it has the tab on it, but the packaging is nice. The thing about these that I like is that these don't just connect with a lightning connection. These actually connect with Bluetooth as well, because if you don't know, when you're selling headphones for iPhones that are generic, you have to make sure that if Apple pushes out an update, that the headphones don't just stop working. Because if they just stop working, it damages your brand. Next, we're gonna go to the Type-C adapter. Now, we don't have the problem with the Type-C adapter for some reason. There has not been any outages or any headphones that stop working. This is a high quality, high demand product because people are buying iPhone 17s and 16s by the day. So we actually get this for the same exact price as these, but we're able to sell these for $20, sometimes even $19.50. But the beautiful part about this is these are really, really cheap. We can get these for $4.50, bro. This is a little bit more expensive because of the lightning connector. I would recommend these over the lightning because lightning is phasing out, obviously. Again, it's all about evergreen products. As you guys know, we are, of course, still selling those white cable cords, right? The 20-piece, 15-piece, 5-piece, 4-bundle. One thing we actually seen a kick in demand is actually these braided cables. So these are Joa, all right? And Joa is not really well known, but they sell really, really cheap cables, okay? But what we were able to do is get these for less than $2, and we're selling these braided cables online for $8.50, $9, $10, sometimes depending on how long. This is a 10-foot one. We have 10-foot, 6-foot, and 3-foot. They're durable, obviously. This one has a Type-C to lightning connector. All right, next, these are actually selling. These are the Icon Q77. We're gonna have in stock because we have been selling these, and I'm gonna be honest, I only have a limited quantity, but these only cost me $5, like literally. And these are legitimate Bluetooth headsets. And this is something that has been selling on eBay. Now, we sell these for $38. I wanna remind you guys, we're getting these for $5. We're able to make huge profit margins on these Icon Qs. The link is in the description. I'm telling you right now, I only have a certain limited quantity, but these sell well. These I promise you will sell out. So these are like these Icon Q headsets. They're low budget headsets that people don't have high expectations for, but I'll tell you, they do sound good. And I'm shocked. Because if you guys haven't noticed and haven't seen, I've been getting a lot of these little pods, the AirPods, Galaxy Buds, and things of that nature. Now, of course, we have to throw in these, which are the cloned headsets. These are wireless AirPod looking headsets. We get these and sell these for as low as $14. You can sell this for $50 to $60. This product gives us one of the highest profit margins. We're able to sell this because it does look just like Apple. The experience is very similar to Apple. Comes with a pamphlet, no Apple logos, no Apple signage. Comes in a plastic bag, right? This comes with a magnetic close. Pods come out regular, just like the Rel and also the Reps. They connect magnetically, they charge, connects to your phone, just like the Rel AirPods. This is something that we have been able to sell consistently, not because we're trying to lie and say they're AirPod reps, but because these act and also give the same similar experience. So again, it's all about experience, it's all about quality, and that's something these always give. Now, another thing that we have been selling really, really well are the Bud Plus headphones. And we haven't even really put videos out about this yet, but just look at the packaging. It has a seal on it, and this seal tells you not to open it or not to buy it if it's damaged. It's a safety seal to stop people from stealing. But when you see the pods in this box, it's insane. Make sure you subscribe because I have an unboxing coming. This might actually take over this. I think that these have a more universal approach than these. Prime example, if I'm going and setting up at a table, these are going to stick out to Apple users. These seem to be selling faster. Now they cost a little bit more, honestly. But we're selling these for around $50 to $40, but we're selling way more. This is a newer product, so I expect them to be flying off the shelves, and we consistently get great reviews, and I'm sure you guys will see the unboxing as well. Then lastly, of course, this remains at the top spot. This is the AirPod Max clones, the Hustle clones. These are always selling well. Now blue has taken over black. We were selling a lot of the black. I'll open these too since I did the other ones. I think a lot of people think these products are supposed to imitate the exact model, right? And that's not what we're doing. What we're doing is making sure our packaging catches customers' eye. We let the quality, we let the experience do the talking. We're selling this for around 60 to 70. We used to be selling 60 to 90. It's not 90 currently. The highest sale I think we had was like $72, and that was a custom offer. These are selling, and that's the good part, okay? So again, these products are selling not because they are the best products, but because these are products in demand and also evergreen products. If you can't get them from us at wesply.com, get some from some other suppliers in your area or even online. I have left a link for the products below, but also if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you want products like this every single month sent to you, definitely consider joining the Hustler Partner Network, which is a network that I have. It's a community where I not only teach you weekly how to continue to flip and build and resell, I also give you products. So it's $297. You get a product box when you sign up, and we continue to help you build. You get your own assistant that lists, ship, and provide products for you. They sell on your eBay for you. They do all of the work while you are learning how to do it on your own so that you can be set up for success. Check it out. The link is below as well. Now, it should be a video on the screen. Definitely check out that video, as it'll help you with all of these products and learning how to sell them so you can set yourself up for success. Make money work for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.